Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI. And this is a 25-ounce Hydrapeak food jar. Let me tell you why this is one of the best things that you'll find. This little container will keep your fruits and veggies and salad nice and cold for up to 16 hours. And in the wintertime, it will keep your soups and warm food hot for up to 10 hours. It is built for everyday use, and they're designed so that you can confidently take your food on the go, knowing that it'll be at the perfect temperature when you're ready to eat. My husband take this to work, especially in the winter time. He will take soups so he can keep warm. And in the summer, we can take it to the beach and put some fruits and have a nice, refreshing snack on the go. I'm sure that you're gonna love it, especially the design, and that it holds a good amount of food. And that's my point of view.